This is the T3 Ultra. This is an amazing smartwatch with a beautiful way of controlling your display, turning it off, twisting your wrist, however you'd like it to work. Integrated, always on watch faces that go along with the custom face or the installed face that comes with the watch. You've got a lot of different controls, Bluetooth calling, music streaming, a beautiful, strong range of brightness, lots of nits to see easily outdoors or soft for nighttime. You've got do not disturb mode on it and many, many other things. In terms of apps, you've got lots and lots of them in here. Women's health, flashlight, calculators. You got a stopwatch that continuously runs in the background. Beautiful. Notifications, breathing exercises. These models have a built-in compass capability. It also has barometers, altimeters, just for your outdoor adventures. Weather in this one, voice assistant, streaming music, blood oxygen, stress, heart rate, all incorporated in it. Lots of different workouts and even automatic sensing of 6 different workouts tied to GPS so you can get your tracking and everything. And of course, Bluetooth calling in here with contacts, call logs, even an SOS function comes along with it. It's a really, really well-built watch. It's got an amazing rubberized type of band on here that is very stretchy, very easy to use, even embroidered with Tank right on it. You've got, like I say, speaker built into here, microphone for Bluetooth calling, and a very well-built device. It's the T3 Ultra. Check it out.